Hi, this is Tim from Plastex. We're going to repair this grill shell for a late 70s Monte Carlo. And as you can see, there's tabs broken out in many places. We're going to work on this one right now. And we're going to use our molding material to show you how to make that tab without having to do a lot of grinding, sanding, etc. You know, make it easy. So what we do is here, this is our molding material. It's on a hot plate and it's at 120 approximately. If it's too hot to handle, it's hotter than it needs to be. So we're going to come over here and we're going to take a mold of this one. And just push that down in there like that. Take a mold of that area. And we're going to let that cure back to room temperature. When it gets back, it'll take probably 10 minutes maybe. Depends on the outside temperature, but about 10 minutes approximately, it'll get firm. All right, the mold now is cured basically, or it's back to room temperature, and it's a firm mold. And we're going to pop it off of here, and there it is. We have a mold of this area. What we're going to do now is bring this mold over to right here to this part. And to hold it in place, because it doesn't have a lot of contour, we're going to take a little bit more of the hot mold material, and we're going to, it tears apart when it's hot, and we're going to stick it in place with more mold material, because the mold material will always stick to itself. And that'll hold it really nice and tight. So the tab will be really snug, and it won't take a lot of grinding or sanding, or you know, it'll look good when it comes off. We're going to put a little bit more on there. To hold it. Okay, we flip this grill over, and this is the mold material, and this is the back side. I try to work from the back side whenever possible because it's less finish work on the face. And you can always bulk this up just a little bit. You don't want to go too much, but bulk it up and make it stronger than when it was brand new. So we're just going to fill that mold like this. Just bring it in. And we're just going to fill that mold up with the powder and liquid. Right there, that crack kind of goes back in there. We're going to reinforce that. And the little part here where the hole was, it's not important. You don't have to have that there because you can drill the hole when it's all done. It just so happens the mold material pushed up in there. So we just fill this up till it levels off. All right, here this is after we've done the repair, and it's all filled in from the back. And we're going to flip it over here, and we'll remove the mold bar, the mold that we made. And there it is. The tab's all made back on there. Now anything that's kind of, you know, the hole, and if things aren't exactly perfect, if you're done with the mold, you can just take a file, hand file, but it's a lot less work than if you had to completely build it from scratch. And it comes out very nice. Now the mold we made here, it can be used, we're going to use it to fix these others. On both sides of the grill, they're all broken out like this. You can make something else out of it when you're done. You just remelt it down here on the hot plate and make another mold out of it after you're done. But we're going to use it on this one, and I think there's two others on the other side that are broken. And then we'll remelt it and make something else out of it. So thank you again for watching the video. And again, if you're ever doing any of these repairs and you buy our kit and you have any questions, you can always call us, and a person will talk to you and walk you through anything that you need to know. And thank you again for watching.